Jeffrey Kohut, and this is my Potter's Journal for Slovenefest 2025. Okay, what you're wondering if you've been following along, did the last pots make it out of the kiln? Well, let's take a walk back and see what went on in the studio and what came out of the last kiln node this week, just minutes before packing to come to Slovenefest.
The king is gonna go bum, 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 bum. The show is starting. And here we go. All right, so.
I couldn't have been more pleased with how the pots came out. I couldn't have been more pleased with Slovenefest 2025. I sold potica pans. They are the big star in the show. And there was interest in the historically influenced and inspired by. I sold polka pots like mad. The show is over. They will be dancing under that tent up there through the night, despite the fact the show is over. I will close you out with maybe some stills from the Heritage Museum here, and maybe I will put a link to last year's Slovenefest when I did make a video and showed the fun of the show. It's a lot of work just doing the show, let alone a video, so I will say check that out and stop back and see what's going on here at Slovenefest next year.